In this video, we are going to see that if you're not getting the notifications on your Discord application and you want to receive the notifications forwarded by Discord on your mobile app, here's a quick fix for you. First of all, just find the Discord icon. Here it is. Just hold it and it says app info. Just click on app info and you will directly land into the notifications option. Just click on the notifications. So if allow notifications is turned off for some reason, you need to enable that. And you can also set the reminder intensity and all the settings. But if you want to see more options, just click on the notification style right at the bottom and you will get all the real-time notifications, incoming calls, voice connected, and all the social notifications and server notifications as well. So you can toggle that off or on according to your preferences, and that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.